Once upon a time, there was a boy who loved a girl. They made up thousands of games. He promised her he would never love another girl as long as he lived.
Leo.
Leo!
Thinking about her again?
Did you sleep with her?
It's been 60 years, Domka.
Not now. I'm busy. I'm the nude model.
You're too ugly. You're going to ruin their lesson and probably screw up their lives.
Zdrasty.
Happy birthday. He hasn't said a word to me all night.
Well, as soon as it gets dark, jump his bones.
I'd rather we just stay friends.
What? Are you crazy?
I don't want him to think I'm easy. Love stories never last. Look around you.
If you love her, Leo, you must let her go. The Germans are less than 200 miles away.
Leo, we will get married. In New York. Promise me. You will come.
I promise you.
Love only exists in books. That's not true.
I love you!
Alma Merminsky really did exist.
Love is real.
Come with me, please.
She really likes you. She won't tell you because she's dumb and she's proud.